We here at Contech offer a couple other items that are available for options on our new mixers. One item is the Man Saver bar. I will demonstrate that for you at the top of the ladder platform. You'll notice this bar, as you climb into the upper platform, it swings inward as you pass through. As you're up here during your job cycle, it protects you from backing out of the gate. And when you go to leave the platform, raise it up and it will automatically drop down and return to its home position after you start your climb down. Another safety item we offer as an option is our Safety Orange Poly Rock Guard. This keeps any material or debris that was left in the collector or on the main chute from falling out onto the roadway when you're driving down the road. And the bright orange color gives great visibility to the rear of the mixer. And thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please see our website at ctmmixers.com or call your local rep for further information.